Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michaela if you're new here. So happy Wednesday. So I decided to switch it up and do a day in my life vlog. I'm actually doing something today. it's my off day, for if you guys don't know. And so I just got ready, I cleaned my bathroom, I stripped my sheets, and I'm gonna vacuum very soon as well. It's a really beautiful day outside. It's nice and sunny, the greenery, and I just love it. And so today what I'm gonna happen is I'm gonna do a little photo shoot with my sister. It's for my Instagram, and so I'm gonna have two outfits that I'm gonna put on, and then I might go to Tuesday morning or TJ Maxx because my friend has a birthday, so I might go grab something. And also Tuesday morning is the location is closing, and so I want to see if they have anything, on a good price, and maybe I'll buy it. I don't know, but I'm just gonna kind of wing it today. I don't really have a set plan besides the photo shoot. And let me show you my fit today. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm actually trying to look cute because I always normally I just wear baggy pants and my hair's in a mess, but today I want to try today because sometimes you gotta mix it up. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing today. I'm just wearing this really soft crops sweatshirt from Joe Fresh, and then underneath it I'm just wearing, oh my goodness, and then I'm just wearing the cropped bra that I showed you guys in one of my videos, my clothing haul video. And then I'm just wearing those little what do you call those, the biker shorts that cut off. That's what I'm wearing. Oh, and I'm also gonna wear my new Nike shoes my mom got me. Ta da da da. All right, here we go. Here they are. So pretty. I love them. So pretty. I'm excited to wear these. I needed new shoes because my last pair probably was 4 or 5 years old, and they were really soft, and I just needed new ones. And so now my mom was like, hey, I have this Macy's free coupons and stuff, credit she had. So I'm like, oh, that's so sweet. Yeah, I would love some shoes. So I'm going to go get some breakfast. I'm very hungry. So yeah, let's do it. And breakfast is done. Just got some 2 eggs here with some spinach, onions, and tomato, and then some grapes, and then a slice of cinnamon toast with some butter, and it looks super yummy. I try and get as many fruits and vegetables as I can in the morning time. And yeah, I love big breakfasts because it's my favorite meal time of the day. Guys, I'm obsessed with watching apartment tours right now because I'm that's very near in the future right now for what I'm doing. And so I just been YouTube recommends it to me, and so now I'm just watching and watching. I just keep watching videos and getting ideas, and it gets me more excited about my future and my apartment, whenever, I think sometime next year. And it's just exciting to think about. And I've already bought a few things that were on sale online, and so I have a few pillows and some dishware and things like that. Oh, it's starting. And so that's really exciting, and I'm just gonna keep collecting. And for me, my philosophy is you can manifest your dreams if you believe it, and I truly believe it, and I'm acting like it's gonna be true. So I'm gonna buy some things, and I'm gonna continue to work hard and save. And so it's all about your mindset. I think in 9, 10 months, sometimes in the summer next year, I will be in my new apartment, and I will be, and I'll be in a new career. My YouTube and Instagram will take off. Like, I see it, and I'm just working hard towards that goal. And that's how you manifest your dreams. And people who have negative thoughts all the time, I mean, I used to be that person. He used to be negative, like, oh, it'll never happen, whatever, I'm not even gonna try. But now, like, I'm not that person anymore. I completely have faith in God that he'll honor me, and he'll, you know, if I work hard enough, he'll give me my dreams. And I vision it, I see it, and I'm excited for the future. So that's my little Wednesday, I guess, wellness, you know, healthy mind wellness today. My little thoughts I'm thinking of. So I'm just gonna watch this video and finish my breakfast. Always take your vitamin, guys. Don't forget. Okay, so it's been some time later now. It's 10 minutes to 12. And I'm in my car. You guys can see I'm in my car, my beautiful car. And I'm going to do Tuesday morning right now, and maybe TJ Maxx, because I'm gonna check out because Tuesday morning is closing. So I want to see what they have, and I want to see if I can get a present for my friend. And yeah, that's the plan, and I'm excited because I honestly don't go out. Like I said before, I really don't go out much. I order things online most of the time, or things that are at work. So I'm just gonna check it out, see what they have, and let's go. Oh, it's such a beautiful day, guys. Oh my goodness, it's like a cool day. You got these beautiful puffy clouds and blue skies. Like, I am so blessed that I get to enjoy this day, and blessed that God gave me another day. I'm just in a good mood today. I'm happy, and I hope you guys are doing well as well. And like, going off what I was saying earlier, you know, if you put out positive vibes, you're gonna, you know, get back positive vibes. But if you put out negative energy, you're gonna get back negative energy. So it's all about your mindset, and it's all about just your, you know, your energy. And so I hope you guys are, you know, bring out positive vibes and uplifting yourself, uplifting your people around you, because we're in a tough time. So, you know, keeping your wonderful self, and things will go how they're supposed to. All right, so that was like the shortest car ride. It was like literally 5 minutes, and I'm about to walk in. And okay, so some people have told me that I may have a little bit of road rage, and I wish I had it on camera, but I always say no, I don't, but maybe I do have a little bit. And it's not that like I want to go speed or anything, and I'm a crazy driver. I'm a really good driver, but I also just don't understand people who like just go the snail pace. If it's a 45, most people are gonna go 50, okay? Why are you going 40? All right, so it's just like, you have to understand traffic. You can't be going 40 when everyone else is going 45, 50. You need to like speed up a little to catch up, because people think, well, I'm just trying to be careful and not get in an accident. Well, no, you're gonna cause an accident by going so freaking slow. Anyways, that's my little rant for today. I'm gonna go enjoy my shopping and forget about this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I am done. I clocked myself. It'll be 45 minutes. I was actually timing myself to make sure I did everything within an hour, because I I try not to be anywhere besides my home if I don't have to. So I got a few things. I got the present that I needed to get, and I also got something for myself. I didn't expect to find anything for myself, but I did, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself. And so I'll show you guys when I get home what I got. Okay, so I'm back in my room, and let me show you guys what I got. So this is, let's see, what is this, TJ Maxx? So I just got this cute little cards here, and I got this birthday card for my friend. And I got this pajama set that's sleep tight and is super soft, and it was only $12.99. I think it's from Laurel Ashley, so really good brand, super soft. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to wear it because you guys know me. I love like sleep shirts and nightgowns. That's just my thing. And that Tuesday morning, I got my friend a gift here. She loves chocolate, so I got her some chocolates and just like a little beauty set, like it's just a cute little beauty set. And then a bag that goes with it. And then I got this, was like honestly the most surprise. I did not expect to get these plates. So this is Kate Spade. And so I had gone a Tuesday morning 2 weeks ago on my vacation when the store just like started closing, and I found these Kate Spade bowls and these plates and cups, and they didn't have like little plates, and so I was disappointed. But I go in today and I found the little plates to the version, and I'm like, and there were exactly 4. So you know, it's like one of those moments where God was like, you know, here we go, like it's meant for you. Ugh, go and focus. It's like, focus. I need to focus. It's just one of those moments where it's like, oh my goodness, like you just get blessed sometimes, and it's like meant for you. Like I honestly was just going in for a present, and I see these. So I now have the full Kate Spade set, and let me see what it is. It's the okay, Sculpted Stripe Blush Kate Spade set, and I think it's on Amazon. I'll link everything down below, but I'm just so happy. Like now I have a whole set for my apartment when it's in the future. So that's super exciting. And I'm getting really hungry now, so I'm gonna go find something to eat. So I'm actually back home now. Mom and I ran an errand. We just grabbed some lunch, you know, took out lunch, and then we just kind of hung out, talked a bit, just had some mommy and daughter time, and then I just like wiped down my car. I needed to clean my car. I'll probably get a car wash tomorrow or something. And now I'm going to finish making my bed, and then I'm going to pick out an outfit for my photo shoot. Like I have an idea what I want, but I haven't actually tried it on, and like and I'll probably have to put makeup on and stuff, and like do my hair real quick, and that'll be fun. I'm always have fun with my sister doing photo shoots. It's exciting, and I'll see you guys in a little bit then. Okay, I think I figured out what I want to wear. So I have this Joe Fresh, like kind of like a coat, but it's not like a coat. It's very lightweight in this light pink. I just absolutely love it because you can like dress it up with sneakers or wear it with a dress. It really, you just throw it on over something and it works out perfectly. And I'm just gonna wear some jeans and then my t-shirt that has a more on it, and then just some easy sandals. I think that would be a cute outfit that I would wear. And then for a second outfit, I think I want to do a really cute photo with my pajama set here, and I think that'll be a nice variety for my photo shoot. And then I will have to figure out what to do with jewelry, but so far this is what I've got. So I just made my makeup, so you can see here, just like a I always wear like this like peachy pink color, and I can't really see it, but like I'm definitely wearing a lot more blush than you can see. And I got my Laura Mercier Caviar Volume, so lots of volume. I love long lashes, voluminous lashes. You kind of see, I don't know, sometimes in certain lightings you can't totally see, but you can definitely see a difference that I have makeup on. And I think I'm actually just gonna leave my hair like this. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I think that'll be actually a really cute outfit. I'm probably just gonna put some earrings in, probably my hoops. I always wear my hoops. It's just easy to throw on. And yeah, now I have to go steam my clothing and to make sure that it looks good in pictures. And I'm super excited to show you guys. Hello, so it's been some time later now. The photo shoot is all done and I had a really fun time doing it. I got dressed up and it's just really fun to just get dressed up once in a while. And so the photos will be up next week, so go check that out. My Instagram is at McChick45, so you'll see all the new photos that I post and everything. And let me see what time it is. It's like 7:20 right now, and I obviously see I got showered, and I already did my skincare routine, so you can already did my skincare routine. And I have this annoying pimple. Oh my goodness, it's driving me insane. I keep forgetting to buy some spot treatments to get rid of it, so I gotta do that tomorrow. I need to make sure. I mean, I work at a grocery store. What is wrong with me? I think I just like try to get out of there as soon as I can, so I like completely forget. But I will do that because I'm sick of that pimple. It's driving me insane. But if you want to know my nighttime skincare routine, check out my video that I did. I'll link it down below. And I'm also wearing my microfiber towel. It's so cute. Honestly, I think it's so adorable. I love wearing it, and it's great for girls that have really thick hair, and I probably will wear it for several hours until I have to go to sleep because it's just so comfy. And I'm also wearing, nope, that was my boobs. I'm just not gonna show you, but I'm wearing my new a nighttime outfit that you guys saw earlier. I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope this day wasn't super boring. I was trying to like show you as much photos as I could. I really enjoyed the day and showing you what I was doing. So you'll get this video, see, this will be posted on Friday. So you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to pamper yourself and take care of your body. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. See you later.